closely at the presenter in this video. Can you instantly tell if this is a human recording or an entirely artificial digital clone? Until recently, producing high-quality video meant setting up equipment, recording the same script repeatedly, fixing minor mistakes, and spending hours editing just to lock in one usable take. You can now bypass that physical recording process entirely. By extracting data from a single 15-second training clip, you can build a digital replica of yourself. To set this up, you only need two components: an active HeyGen account and a short video clip of you speaking to the camera. Removing the camera and the editing suite from the equation changes the economics of content creation. Your ability to scale your ideas is no longer limited by the hours you have available to film. Looking at the main dashboard here, your first step is to navigate to the Tools menu and select the Avatar section. This prompt box presents two distinct choices. Select the highlighted option to clone a real person to begin creating your digital twin. The AI requires pristine data to build an accurate model. Your upload needs three specific elements: strong, even lighting, clear audio free of background noise, and natural facial expressions. This diagram shows exactly how the model interprets your setup. A dark, muffled environment, marked with an X, corrupts the training data. You need a brightly lit space with a clear microphone setup, marked with a check, to give the AI proper reference material. Once the video is uploaded, the system automatically triggers a mandatory identity verification step. You will record a short confirmation statement directly into your webcam. This specific friction point confirms that you own the likeness you are trying to clone, actively preventing the system from being used for deepfakes. Because the AI replicates exactly what it sees and hears, the realism of your digital twin relies entirely on the quality of that input video. It is the single point of failure for the entire system. Now that your identity is digitized, we transition to the generation phase. We will drive this process using the automated video agent. As you can see in this interface, you do not write a full script. You simply type a descriptive sentence, like this prompt regarding AI, and direct the agent to execute. Next, configure your essential parameters. For short-form social media, select a vertical format and limit the duration to between 30 and 60 seconds. Before clicking Generate, you must enable the cinematic generation toggle. This specific setting separates the engine from standard text-to-speech software. This toggle transforms your single text prompt into a timeline, layering visual B-roll, dynamic motion, and storytelling beneath your avatar. By integrating these tracks into one narrative output, it prevents a monotonous talking head. The video agent effectively removes you from the camera. You operate entirely as a creative director, shifting your workload from manual execution to high-level strategy. When you initialize the generation process, the system does not immediately render a video file. Instead, it builds this structural plan, breaking down the distinct scenes and text flows. This is your review phase. You can alter the flow of the scenes or tweak the exact wording in the script before you commit to the final render. Here is the final output. The photorealistic avatar speaks naturally, complete with seamlessly integrated lighting and smooth, dynamic hand gestures. To scale this asset across borders, open the built-in AI video translator. Ensure that the Advanced Mode toggle, highlighted here, is turned on. The Advanced Mode forces precise lip syncing for the new language, while mathematically analyzing and seamlessly cloning your original vocal tone. By eliminating the need to physically re-record for different regions, a single piece of effort can instantly reach and engage entirely new global demographics. The timeline of production has compressed. You can now move an abstract idea into a fully produced multi-language cinematic video in a matter of minutes. Because the engine processes instructions identically every time, you gain perfect consistency. Your AI twin maintains the exact same energy, identity, and voice across infinite variations. Practically, this workflow allows you to scale up a YouTube channel, build extensive online courses, or rapidly iterate paid ads. This comparison illustrates the mechanical advantage. Traditional physical production forces a slow, linear schedule. Digital cloning allows you to generate multiple assets simultaneously, clearing the production bottleneck. Dropping the physical constraints of recording allows you to produce at a volume that manual creators cannot match. For creators looking to maximize their output, these digital clones offer a path to scale that traditional recording cannot reach.